We're making fun automations that are like pranks for April Fool's Day. Next, we're going to create highlight a random row, and we're going to do this when a sheet opens. So go to extensions app script. We already have a function on open, so we're going to add that automation there, but we need to create another function. We call this highlight random row. We're going to create a sheet. Get our sheet, spreadsheet app dot get active sheet. We're going to get the last row, sheet dot get last row. We want to know how many columns there are as well. Number of columns, sheet dot get max columns. And let's get a random row. Variable row equals math dot floor in parentheses math dot random. We need random times last row. And we make it 0, so we got +1, so we get at least the first row. And let's get the range equals spreadsheet app dot get active sheet. Actually, we can do sheet get range row 1 1 number of columns. So this is going to say go to the row that we got, the random row, go to the first column, go to the only one row, but get all of the columns there, and range dot set background. Let's say we want it orange. You can select any color you want here. And how do we actually run this on open? We're going to take this function name and add it right here to our on open. This function on open can only have one in a single Google Sheet, and a single Google app script, and it's going to execute all of these. So it'll add our UI and it'll do this random row highlighting. Let's see it. So we have here 25 rows. We need to actually open the sheet again. I'm just going to click refresh, and there we go. We turned this row highlighted orange. Totally random. Can always do Command Z to undo it, but I think it's going to be really mind-boggling for some. But that's highlight a random row on open. Add a little random chaos. If you're looking to get all of these automations for free, get these app script, go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools and get all of them in one. Download absolutely for free over there.